Are you tired of struggling with clunky blenders that just don't get the job done? Here are the 5 best personal blenders I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Magic Bullet Blender. First up is the Magic Bullet Blender, a compact powerhouse from a brand you might already know. Priced at just $43.45, what caught my attention was its impressive 11-piece set that promises to make meal prep a breeze. If you want a simple solution for quick smoothies and snacks, this is worth a serious look. So let's break down why this little blender could be your new best friend. It features a 250-watt motor that allows you to chop, mix, and whip up your favorite meals in just seconds. With its 22-ounce capacity, you can easily whip up a smoothie or a quick dip for a snack. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The included recipe guide ensures you'll never run out of ideas, and the high-impact plastic cups are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. This blender has been purchased over 20,000 times in the past month, which shows just how popular it is. Now, some people complained about the blending power not being strong enough for tougher ingredients. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly blending soft fruits and vegetables, it does the job perfectly. But if you're looking to crush ice or blend frozen fruits regularly, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're just looking for a quick way to prepare healthy snacks or smoothies. Skip this one if you plan to make complex recipes or need a high-powered blender for ice crushing. At under $50, it's a fantastic value for anyone entering the blending world. Now, if the Magic Bullet's blending power concerns you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its sheer strength. Product number 2, NutriBullet Personal Blender. Next, we have the NutriBullet Personal Blender, which retails at $58.31. This one caught my eye with its sleek design and 600 watts of power. If you want nutrition in a hurry, this is a blender you should seriously consider. The 600-watt motor means you can blend everything from leafy greens to frozen fruits, creating smooth, sippable nutrition in no time. The 24-ounce cup is perfect for single servings, and cleanup is as easy as rinsing the blades and tossing the cup in the dishwasher. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who wants to whip up healthy smoothies without the hassle, this blender makes it incredibly easy. Plus, with over 10,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that many people are loving it. However, some users noted that the cups can be a bit small for larger families. But honestly, if you're primarily making single servings, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just remember, you can always blend in batches if needed. This is perfect for busy individuals who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle without spending too much time in the kitchen. Skip this one if you often serve multiple people or need larger quantities. It's a solid deal at this price for anyone looking to blend up some quick nutrition. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more blending power. Product number 3, Ninja NutriPro Blender. Next up is the Ninja NutriPro Blender, priced at $79.99. I was impressed by its 1,000 peak watt motor that promises to pulverize ice and tough ingredients with ease. If you're after ultimate blending power, you should definitely check this one out. This blender features 2 Auto IQ preset programs, allowing you to easily make smoothies and crushed ice just by pushing a button. The 24-ounce cups are great for on-the-go convenience, and the Pro Extractor blades ensure you get all the nutrients from your fruits and veggies. Here's why this matters. With its ability to crush ice into snow, you can create restaurant-quality frozen drinks right at home. This model has sold over 8,000 units recently, which shows it's a hit among smoothie lovers. Now, a few users mentioned that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's my take on that. While it might be louder than other models, the powerful performance is worth it if you want the best consistency in your blends. This is perfect for anyone who wants to make smoothies, frozen drinks, or even sauces quickly and efficiently. Skip this one if you're looking for something quieter or if you just want to blend soft fruits. For the price, the power and features make it a great investment. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, the next product might just fit the bill beautifully. Product number 4, Conseat CB08 Blender. Coming in at just $27.96, the Conseat CB08 is an impressive little blender that caught my attention with its 900-watt motor. If you want versatility without breaking the bank, this is one to consider. The unique asymmetric blade design and turbulent structure make blending fast and efficient, reaching speeds of up to 25,000 RPM. It also has a hands-free operation, which means once you lock it in place, you can walk away while it does its thing. This matters for you because it allows for easy multitasking in the kitchen, whether you're making smoothies or baby food. Plus, with over 6,000 sold recently, it's clear that people are satisfied with its performance. However, some reviews pointed out that the cups can leak if not sealed properly. Here's the thing though, as long as you ensure everything is locked in place, this shouldn't be a huge issue. Just double check before blending to avoid any messes. This is perfect for anyone on a budget looking for a reliable personal blender. Skip this one if you prefer larger capacity blenders or need something for more intensive blending tasks. Honestly, for under $30, it's a fantastic value. Next up, if you want something with a bit more style and power, the final product might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, Ninja Fit Compact Blender. Last but not least, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, priced at $54.99. I really liked its compact size and 700-watt motor. If you're looking for a balance of portability and performance, this could be the one for you. The Pulse technology allows you to blend everything from smoothies to frozen drinks effortlessly. Plus, the nutrient extraction feature ensures you're getting the most out of your fruits and veggies. Here's why that matters. If you're someone who values nutrition, this blender extracts hidden vitamins and nutrients you might otherwise miss. This model has also sold over 5,000 units recently, which is a testament to its popularity. However, some users found the smaller cup size limiting if they like to make larger batches. It's worth noting that this blender is designed for personal use, so if you need to blend bigger quantities frequently, you might want to reconsider. This is perfect for college students or anyone in need of a compact, portable option for smoothies or shakes. Skip this one if you regularly prepare large meals or need a professional-level blender. It strikes a great balance for its price, making it an excellent personal blender choice. So to recap, we've looked at 5 fantastic personal blenders. The Magic Bullet is great for quick snacks. The NutriBullet offers simplicity. The Ninja NutriPro gives you serious power. The Conseat CB08 is budget-friendly, and the Ninja Fit is perfect for portability. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja NutriPro blender because of its unmatched power and versatility in creating a range of drinks. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Conseat CB08 if you often blend hard ingredients without double-checking the seals. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.